Is your refrigerator not cooling properly, showing temperature fluctuations or experiencing multiple system issues at once? A faulty main control board could be the cause. Welcome to HnKParts. The main control board is responsible for coordinating communication between the compressor, evaporator fan, condenser fan, sensors, defrost system, and user interface. Power surges, moisture exposure, overheating, and long-term electrical stress can affect the board's performance and lead to system-wide operating problems. Common symptoms of a failing main control board include inconsistent cooling, recurring error codes, unresponsive controls, intermittent operation, unexpected cycling, or multiple refrigerator functions failing at the same time. The main control board is located on the back of the appliance behind a protective metal access cover, which you can easily remove using a nut driver or screwdriver. For troubleshooting, use a multimeter, flashlight, insulated gloves, and the appliance's technical documentation. Check for signs of board failure such as burnt marks, discoloration, corrosion, damaged electronic components, or unusual odors near the control board area. Verify that proper voltage is reaching the refrigerator and monitor for persistent control-related issues. If the refrigerator has power but continues to experience multiple unrelated malfunctions, the main control board may not be processing or distributing signals correctly. If troubleshooting confirms a control board issue, the main control board may need replacement. Check the link in the description to find the correct replacement part for your refrigerator. For genuine appliance parts and repair essentials, visit HnKParts.com. Subscribe to our channel and stay connected by following us on social media for more troubleshooting guides, maintenance tips, and product support. Thanks for watching.